Hello guys, today I'm starting another funny project. This time it will be a vase, big vase. I was inspired by Frank from the tiny workshop, and he made on my scrapbook challenge, he made a big vase from the pine. It was a flower pot, flower rack. I have a lot of sticks, pine sticks. It was mine old shoe rack. So I decided to make something similar, but my sticks are thinner, so I can make so big vase. I will make a long vase, but a very slim, something like African style. Okay, I have 3 rings already because I made these rings when I was setting up my wedgie sled and the templates. I made these 3 rings. But I will be needed much more, maybe 15, maybe 20 rings. Okay, let's go to the table saw and cut a little. Okay, and it's time to finish the vase. I have turned only a middle part. For today I have a plan to make the top part. I will use a simple chuck to catch it and making a Woodturning. Then I will finish the bottom part and glue up the middle on it, and I will leave it for maybe tomorrow if the weather allow me. It's pretty crazy shape. I think I have messed up something here and I don't know what. We will see how it will be looking after turning. Okay, I think the hollowing will be enough. It's not bad. It could be better, but I'm afraid the pine will not hold on and fly away. The rest I will sand it. At first I have to take out the shavings from the inside. Okay, and the vase is sanded up to 400. Now I will use denaturated alcohol to clean up the surface and close the pores inside of the wood. Then later I will use a shellac and I will sand it once again with 400 grit. Okay, very nice, as I think. Okay, now I will cut off with handsaw the tenon and sand the bottom and finish the bottom, and the vase will be ready. Okay, and the vase is finished. Very shiny. My new Obi Shine just work very good. This is the inside, the bottom. It's pretty big. Let's see how it's tall. From here to here is almost 10.5 inch. It's not small, it's not big. I think it's the biggest vase which I made for now. Thank you, Frank, for the idea. As you remember, I have used a rack shoe for it. I don't remember how many pieces in here. I will insert this information in the descriptions under the video. Very nice, I like it very much. And of course I invite you to like the Frank's channel, the Tiny Workshop. He's having very good ideas. Okay, it's for now everything. I'm starting another project. Stay tuned, see you later.